I get lots of comments and lots of wows when people ask me what was my master's in, and I always tell them pharmaceutical nanotechnology, and they're like, what? I've never heard of such a thing. So I think just the major itself sets me apart from others. They just know that it's small, but that's pretty much the gist of it. They don't understand the benefits of nanoparticles and the different ways you can apply them, whether in medicine or pharmacy. It's really giving great benefits, especially in cancer. There's low toxicity with nanoparticles as well. So just really learning about the specifics of nanoparticles and how I can apply that to my field, it really grabs the interest of a lot of people. So kind of how research works is you kind of reach out to different research labs and you kind of go under what they already have started. I love Dr. Pathak. He's the co-author on my paper. Dr. Pathak is hilarious. They all have great personalities. Within the courses, you have a lot of academic freedom. So I got to tie in pharmaceutical nanotechnology with autism spectrum disorder. So there's no genetic markers for autism spectrum disorder. So that made me curious about how nanotechnology can aid in the biological element of helping those with autism spectrum disorder or lessening their symptoms. And with that, I was able to write a paper that I was submitted as the first author, and it was a complete publication. And so that was my first one. So I was very excited for that. I mean, they all look out for their students. They all have great personalities. They're also knowledgeable about nanotechnology. Then they also have their little niches that they're very specific in. So whatever a student is looking for in the MSPN program, they're sure to find it. And they're so welcoming. So whatever you would like to do, they have their doors open. If you want to talk about anything, they're there. And it sets the door open for many opportunities for you to be able to find your next step. You create your own lane in nanotechnology because it's a relatively new field in the field of science. So if you don't see something, you're able to find it or create your own lane in nanotechnology.